and we're doing fine too. Whoop. It just doesn't look good. They got snowplows running around everywhere, and there's some ugly rain coming. We should be out of the snow. Maybe hit everything before about 2 o'clock. See, there's another snowplow. Oh, that's where the snowplows come from. Well, they're loaded up. They're probably out there salting the streets. Probably be worse tonight. All right, she had a good pee-pee for me. Good girl. She's had her treats. So we'll get her a few more treats for being good girls, and we'll get back on the road.